Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have purchased a Macbook Pro M3 chip which is 2023 model. I'll be showing the unboxing video of this, complete unboxing video, and the original unboxing video is I had done in the store itself to check it whether there is any damage or no. And with this MacBook Pro I have even purchased a mouse, and I'll be unboxing even this Macbook mouse, and the link of this unboxing will be in the description below. So let's unbox this MacBook Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Meanwhile, you can check the unboxing of the Magic Mouse, and I have added the link below in the description. And please like, subscribe and share. Sorry, like, share and subscribe.